Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly, and yes, my hair looks crazy. But if you're new, welcome. If you are not subscribed yet to my page, my channel, make sure that you subscribe down below. I do a lot of DIY videos. I do hair videos, lifestyle, you name it. It is very echo in here. Today we're actually going to be taking down wallpaper, and sorry if you hear noise outside, but like, look at the room. I started ripping down wallpaper along, and of course it's not just me alone who just pulled all this down. A really, really close friend of mine, she's family friend, like I don't even know what title to give her, but I love her so much. She's redoing her house right now, and she's literally going room by room and like making it so crazy. So this is the next project, and the next project is to rip down this wallpaper. We have a steamer going on. It's actually warming up right now. That's the steamer right there. And pretty much I'm just gonna steam and knock down all this wallpaper. Now the first step, if you've ever removed wallpaper, is to remove the first layer. So this is the original wallpaper. This is the glue that's stuck on it, and then she has like a layer of paint right here underneath. So literally you just like want to rip this off, because it's like, it's the easiest thing to do. So instead of like steaming through this whole thing, just like rip off the wallpaper, and it's not that hard. Get as much as you can off. Like look, watch this. Like this just, well, bad example, but this just rips off. Anyway, it's easier to do with a spatula. So if you have a spatula, just like scrape it and then it'll rip off. So I'm gonna get started, and I'm really excited to see the transformation of this room. Literally painting it all white afterwards, just making it very clean, very sensual. This room's just gonna be very clean, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like after this is all removed. All right guys, so let's just get straight into the video. So this is the steamer I am using. It is a Wagner power steamer, model 705, and this bad boy is steaming up right now. Actually, once when you plug her in, I have my extension cord running. Once when you plug her in over there, this thing starts to heat up. It is very hot and very short. Oh my gosh, you start seeing it a little bit. You see how it's boiling? So there's like an electrical piece that goes underneath, but I mean, of course it's safe, but just be careful because this is very, very hot. This starts bubbling up and boiling and starts getting crazy hot, and then steam goes through this and fires this sucker up, and that's where this just melts off. Okay, so look, this guy is boiling up. It's steaming, it's dripping, look at it. So look, that guy is boiling in there, and then this guy is steaming and dripping on up. So for 2 rooms, you could have this thing filled up. I probably will have to put more water in it when I take like a little break, but yeah, I'm gonna get started. So this is boiling water, so be careful. So I'm gonna leave this on here for about maybe like 30 seconds or so. But as I do this, sometimes it drips too, so it's good because it's helping me. But literally, this is steaming hot water. Once when it goes on, you'll see how easy it is to remove. It's just steaming up the water. Steaming up the wall. In the world of sound. Now we have constructed a square. A square. So look, I've worked on, let's see, this part here is all wallpaper removed. This took about 20 minutes. So this is gonna take a hot minute. Garbage. I didn't realize that the light wasn't on. We have light. Okay. And I have a fan. I need a fan. So when you come in, that is what I did so far. That took about 45 minutes. And now I'm gonna do this corner over here. Okay, so my camera like died, so I stopped filming as I did it. I know everything's like in fast speed and I wish it was going that fast, but it's not, but it's okay. So far, it took me about 3.5 hours to do all of this with that machine. And I think it's because the head, this guy right here, I think that if this was bigger, it would definitely be quicker, but it's all right. So 3.5 hours. I still have to do up here. I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow morning or whatever, the next time that I'm back, and I'm just gonna continue going. So I'll probably come back like another day in the same outfit, so get used to this. Day 2. Good morning, and this is day 2. I already started over there. I finished this wall. But Jonathan's helping me. Jonathan's helping me right now. He's helping me remove the wallpaper, all that white wallpaper around. He's just steaming right now and holding it for a while. And then a while. And we just keep waiting.
And then before you know it, it's straight.
And then see, longer. It takes a while, but it's worth it because it's coming out so nice. And I'll probably, I don't know if I'll film anymore. Maybe I'll just skip to like the finished product. Because this is a lot. Like we still have 3/4 of the room to finish. Does that make sense?
3/4 of the room, yeah.
So we're only a quarter finished right now. We have a lot more to go. So.
Got their math lesson over today.
Yeah. So. Smile for a thumbnail. So we're gonna keep working away and I will be back for the final product, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. Good morning. So I am on my iPhone right now, so the quality might not be that great, but anyway, we started painting, so I finished wallpapering the room. I'm just gonna show you the whole transformation, but we're painting the room a very soft white with white molding. And of course these beautiful wood floors. So once we're finished done painting, I will show you the final result of this beautiful room, and I can't wait for you to see. Oh my gosh, so everything is done in this room. I mean, there's no bedding on the floor or anything like that, but the walls are painted and they are so smooth. You would have no idea that wallpaper was on this wall. So, yay, it looks so good. This looks so good. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this transformation of wallpapered walls to it looking so good and like a brand new room, and us painting this room, which I'm so happy of the turnout. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more those tutorials or things like that, DIY, you know, like home improvement things. And don't forget to subscribe down below, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.